Gonna go say hi to Mr. Noah.
Mr. Noah. This is gonna
Bye again, Mr. Noah, man!
Woo!
He's cute.
Wait, say that again.
What did you do? Don't you be touching me! You're touching my wings, Laura? Laura, what's your problem, Laura? What? Gosh, Laura! Look! Don't be touching my wings! Lots of money! Stay away from me! I got magic! Stay away. You don't have a wand.